After signing up for an American Express account, completing the setup is essential to fully utilize your card and account features. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth setup process. Step 1. Access your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Click on the login button and enter your credentials, including your username and password, to access your account. Step 2. Verify your identity. Once logged in, you may need to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions or entering a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Follow the prompts to complete this verification. Step 3. Set up payment methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SRock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Customize account preferences. Go to the account preferences section to customize your settings. This includes setting up alerts for due dates, spending limits, and rewards notifications. Adjust these settings according to your preferences for better account management. Step 5. Explore rewards and benefits. Finally, take some time to explore the rewards and benefits associated with your American Express card. Check for any available offers, cashback options, or travel perks that you can take advantage of. Familiarizing yourself with these features can enhance your experience. Now that you have completed the setup, you are ready to make the most of your American Express account. Enjoy the benefits and features that come with your new card.